You guys, thanks for your comment, thanks for your love. I really appreciate you guys. So you guys asked me to do my jollof rice video, so this is it. I'm here to show you guys how I prepare my jollof rice. You guys asked for it, so I'm at your service to drop the video. Thanks for your comments, guys. I really so much appreciate. You know, I'm not a new content creator. I don't mind me, I'm not a new content creator. So no, say I need to get my iPhone. So that iPhone, this iPhone, why you gonna take make money? My own money, you understand? So the iPhone why they used before na my husband iPhone. So in the take that one go work. So we don't blend our tomatoes, paprika, onions. I don't blend everything inside here. So I need to boil the tomatoes. I need to boil and wait dry. So that when I slap before we use take cook the jollof rice. So guys, and the chicken one I want to use for the jollof rice is this soft chicken. And this one my husband said the hungry. I was surprised them today. Now tomorrow I be come and say I'll cook this food though, because I get appointment today. I can't say no. As I come there, I know what I can do for us now. My go buy the things, my cook the jollof rice one. Based on how I've been. No, so my husband deserve the best. Because they try for me, so I need to try for her also. They surprise me, so I need to surprise her also. So that's why I cook the jollof. Now this one I use. Take up the jollof rice. So guys, my chicken don't boil, don't bring out water. And now I want to add water draining. I will bear with this video because I didn't hurry. Just want to put down before I go ready for where I go. So now I don't want butter for my chicken. My tomatoes still dey boil. So I never do that, remove small. Guys, my tomatoes don't dry. So I need to pack and comot now. Don't put my water for here to boil the rice, per boiler. Guys, see my rice. I go pour on here now. Make it boil. Make it boil before I go wash them. So I need to parboil first. So guys, my chicken is ready. So I'll put on for side fire. So we don't want to do it work for. So now my butter, my pot jar, no oil, and this one be the oil one I want to use. Take fry my tomatoes and all. I know they add oil, they drain my jollof rice. Just only this, I'm okay. So my butter don't melt. I'll come add this time inside. I'll add them inside. Then I'll come add my onions. This is my onions, everything inside. Now muti, muti. The tomatoes they red well. So I was going to take fry my onions. So guys, if your tomatoes don't done, you go know now. See, now the fry since it don't done now. Then I go add my tomatoes. Go mix them together. I never put my pepper, so I don't mix them. I want to it done with the tomatoes before I can add my pepper drink. See my pepper what I ground for you. Guys, my maggi, everything, thyme, curry, nutmeg, salt, everything in there. What I want add join. Now my tomatoes don't do. I see my stew don't. Guys, I don't add my rice put. So I don't put my meat stock. I just don't add everything put. I put everything. So now to just mix and cover and wait do. So I want this my maggi add journal. So I don't add that my maggi. This my maggi. I don't add that journal. So I'll come mix them and then turn everything together. So this my maggi they give am that flavor way. So guys, I don't pack the jollof rice. See, I don't pack am. I dey hurry. We need to comot now because time don dey almost dey reach. My boys dey sleep. I need to go wake them now. Where we dey go? So I don pack the jollof. See the one wey burn. I go use that one take dey understand. I wan sauce this turkey, this chicken. Because na so my husband say him take want am. Na as my husband take want something, so I dey don move. So I don sauce am. So I need to dry small. So I go put on top of the rice. You understand? So I hope say una enjoy this video. I also na enjoy am. My next video, I see una comment why una say my teach how to do banga, how to make banga soup. So this one don finish. I wan put banga next time. I go show now how to do banga from scratch. I go show you. So see my jollof rice go dey here like this. I start to pack my jollof like this. So guys, my sauce is not ready. So the sauce is not ready. I go put on top like this. So everything is ready to work. My husband come today, go happy because this food is how many days? We don't take since over 2 weeks now. We never eat rice. We never eat rice of this house. So you go shock now. We go see this food. Because now tomorrow I plan say I go do this food. Tomorrow, not me today. But it's a good wife where I be now. My husband not fit dey crave for jollof. We be say as I be cook jollof rice, I no go cook am. So guys, I'm ready. I need to wake up the guys. Now where they go? Where they put on their jacket. Make we they go see the jollof rice, see the outcome. Everything is set now. It's set to work. So guys, I go leave am here. If only come, only go see am here. Then you go take the one we want take. So if I come back now, go clean all this mess because I no get time again.